Welcome to this video on understanding L1 visa extensions and interview waivers. Today's video will dive into the eligibility conditions for L1 visa extensions, particularly when transitioning from an L1B blanket petition to an L1A individual petition. Please remember that the information provided here is for guidance only, and it's always best to consult with an immigration attorney for personalized advice. Let's get started. Let's start by laying out the agenda for today's video. First, we'll go over the L1 visa categories. Then, discuss the differences between blanket and individual petitions. Next, we'll dive into interview waiver eligibility, including factors that may affect this eligibility. Finally, we'll wrap up with some recommendations and a conclusion. First, the L1 visa allows multinational companies to transfer employees with specialized knowledge to the United States. There are two main categories: L1A, meant for managers and executives, and L1B, which is for employees with specialized knowledge. Let's move on to the differences in filing these petitions. L1B visas are often filed under a blanket petition. This type of petition allows multiple employees to be transferred under a single approval. On the other hand, L1A petitions are typically filed individually for each employee. This distinction is crucial when understanding eligibility for an interview waiver during the transition from L1B to L1A. Let's find out more about those waivers. Now, about interview waiver eligibility. Historically, individuals applying for L1 visa extensions might have qualified for an interview waiver, often referred to as drop-box submission, if they met specific criteria. However, recent changes might affect one's eligibility, and since these criteria can change, it's essential to review them regularly. Several factors might impact eligibility for an interview waiver when changing from an L1B to an L1A visa. First, changing your visa subtype from L1B to L1A could affect eligibility. Moving from a blanket petition, like the L1B, to an individual petition, common with L1A, can similarly impact eligibility. Finally, recent changes in immigration regulations demand current guidance verification to ensure accurate information. What's next? Here are some recommendations to follow if you're in this process. Firstly, consult the official questionnaire on interview waivers. While it might not mention every condition, it remains a primary information source. Always seek legal counsel from an immigration attorney to ensure you meet current guidelines and eligibility. Next, prepare all required documentation thoroughly to support your application. Even if you're seeking an interview waiver, it's wise to prepare for a possible interview. Let's pause for a quick quiz. What type of petition is typically used for L1B visas? Is it an individual petition, blanket petition, family petition, or student petition? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is blanket petition. L1B visas are generally filed under a blanket petition, allowing multiple employees to be transferred under a single approval. Navigating the L1 visa extension process can indeed be complex. Stay informed about the latest regulatory updates, utilize official resources, and don't forget to seek legal advice. These steps are crucial in ensuring a smooth and successful application. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. We look forward to your thoughts and comments below. Until next time.